Hello, welcome back. Another problem with the editing again this week. Did a little film, uploaded and everything. Only spent about 60 odd hours on it. Nothing to worry about. It was only a little road trip I did, and when I'd uploaded and everything, it was all scheduled to go on at 12 o'clock today, and lucky I looked at it, because first 7 minutes had just a still picture, and sound was there, but the picture was still, just still. And like I said, I put 60 odd hours into it, and I thought I'll give it one more go. Started fiddling with it this morning when I realised what was going on, and I just deleted the lot. I couldn't be bothered. Yeah, so I thought I'd just show you this. I mentioned this Saturday on the Saturday Live one. I got given this SP470. That's run. I won't run it now, but it definitely needs a diaphragm. But apart from the patch, it actually looks orange through the viewfinder. I think it's because it's getting dark, but it's still with a nice bright red. And the box is like literally like new. The actual hinges and the actual brickwork connects it onto it. Well, they normally sort of split here, don't they? It's had a hole, and it's been patched with like the flashing you put on flat roofs. It's a good repair actually. So I've just pulled that back to have a look, but it's rotten, and the lever's missing for the drive, but the drive does work. But like I say, been given that's handy. It's worth some bit money in parts, isn't it? So I was going to do the diaphragm today, and show it running and all the rest of it. But I've been on the telephone literally all afternoon trying to sort something else out. It's been a bit of a pain in the backside. So like I say, it's getting dark now, so I just thought I'd show you this and let you know that today's video, I was quite chuffed with it. I'd put a lot of work into it, and I'd gone on a road trip, and I moved the camera in a different place. I even had the camera in the back of the van. I even did a bit where I drove past the camera and all this sort of stuff. And I was sort of really chuffed with this, and that's something different, but I just thought, oh, that's really good. And then I was so peed off that I just gets you down sometimes. You put that much work into something just for just for the bloody. And if I put the memory card on in the camera, it works fine. It was just it's just my computer didn't like it, because once it does it, you put it on there, it recognises it every time. I could have gone back and changed the idea of the film and all that, be able a bit of filming and done it that way, but I just couldn't be bothered. Too many hours in it, and I wasn't prepared to take any more crap from it. I mean, I thought it was good. I mean, it was probably the best thing I've ever done, but you'll never see. But yeah, I just want to show you that quickly. There'll be a few more videos going up this week about various things, mainly all mower related. Got to crack on with the bike as well. So there will be videos going up this week. It's just that yeah, other things have cropped up. Yeah, I mean, I don't think you can see it. The handles and stuff are really good. It's pretty, really. Right, so I just put it in my pile, and that comes with spares. I know a lot of you would do that up, repair it, but I just haven't got the time to mess around with mowers like that, really, to be honest with you. Well, I haven't got the time to mess around with it. If it had come to begin the winter, I'd have done it, I think. You know what I'm saying? Because now we've had a few days of sun, my phone started ringing, and I'm getting quite a bit of work in. I'm booking quite a bit of work in. So I should imagine next week I should be flat out again, if it all works out. The plan goes as it should do. I've got a video coming up I'm thinking about putting it on Sunday, but it'll be next week, and I can't tell you too much about it, but it will interest you. Anybody who's into, hopefully it'll interest anybody who's into repairing these mowers at home and wherever, really, to be honest with you. Anybody who's interested in mowers and small engine repairs and stuff, well, I think it'll interest you. Like I say, I can't even tell you much about it, like I say, but then again, I've spent hours on that. I've just tried to try to make it smaller, because at the moment it's about 2 hours long, and I need to bring it down to sort of somewhere between sort of 5 minutes and say 25-30 minutes at the most. So a lot of detailed stuff in it to get out. But I'll explain that, but you'll understand why I can't say nothing now. But it's all work related. But hopefully everybody will enjoy that one, or take the piss, one or the other. But like I said, I just thought to show you that, explain to you why again we haven't got a video up this week. So far we're supposed to have been at 12 o'clock a day. I think that's the clock striking 6 o'clock at the church. So I want to go, because there's no money rambling. But should be more videos up this week, hopefully. Like I say, I think it's going to be busy for the next 2 weeks, or at least for next week. Alright. Yeah, right. See you later then. Bye for now.